I am excited about mixed reality because it's very much a new field. It existed before, but it was really difficult, and it was only for professionals, mainly astronauts.
This technology is now really important to outside companies. And one of our students, Alan, had an internship this last summer at Lockheed Martin.
It was a collaborative program with Lockheed Martin, the Mexican Space Agency, the UAE Space Agency, and we had some NASA people.
He was working with some virtual reality devices, and they told him that they have trouble finding people to hire who understand the technology and can move right in and start using it.
At Lockheed Martin, they actually save a lot of money because they rehearse the entire manufacturing of the spacecraft before they actually make it on the manufacturing floor. I tried it out, I tried to put things into it, deploy holograms, create things, learn about the formats. I have all the tools, I have the software, I have everything that I can do. And then I can implement the physics into it.
If we begin incorporating this routinely into the classroom, you're going to have NESAD students, you're going to have physics majors, you're going to have English majors and history majors doing this sort of stuff, and they're going to come out of Suffolk understanding this technology. They'll put it on their resume, and that's going to help them get a job.